everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet elegant guest bedroom decor idea using a warm and inviting cream and brown color scheme. This combination creates a cozy, timeless, and very welcoming space for any guest. We're a little set with the bed since that's always the main feature in a guest room. To add contrast, I hung a cream wall art above the bed. This ties in with the darker accents without overpowering the space. Guest bedroom should always feel comfortable, so I added a black and white area rug under the bed to match with the accent wall and to make the room feel softer and more welcoming. I layered a cream duvet cover with soft brown accent pillows, and I added a throw blanket at the end of the bed in a deeper chocolate tone. This mix of neutrals gives the room depth while still feeling calm and balanced.
You see my hottie, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, I mean I feel act when I see you blushing, girl you put me on. Yeah, girl I want, girl I like you, so me want. Girl I want, girl I like you, you like me too. Yeah, yeah. People say if you're trying to enforce it, something ain't right. Ain't the same when it's sun when you know you really like all the feels in the moment. Man, it kills when I know it. Where we they go? Yeah, where we they go? No, no, no. I pick it, I do that. You see me, you can for me, pick it. I do it, you do it. For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem, oh. But boom, my damn so. Me like the way you roll. You see my hearty, I feel run giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, I mean I feel act when I see you blushing, girl, you put me on. Yeah, girl I want, girl I like you, so me want. Girl I want, girl I like you, you like me too. Cool I been there, I said I come live there. Then you pull it on, I'ma get pull it on, baby girl, tell me where we dey. Where my team dey? Till where my team dey? Pull it on, I'ma get pull.
And that's today's guest bedroom makeover. A simple cream and brown color scheme can transform any space into a cozy retreat for your guests. Let me know in the comments, would you decorate your guest room in these colors? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.
Be up and down.